Hi everyone. So today I'm here to talk about interim CMO and integrated brand agency. Also to explain when your business needs an interim CMO and when it is fine to have the coordinated brand efforts through your internal marketing team or through an agency. Last few months have been very rewarding for me as an interim CMO for one of the fastest growing financial companies in the country. The reason was we've been serving them as an integrated brand agency, but there were a lot of lags happening at the C-suite level because they were getting bombarded with the kind of ideas happening around it, the way marketing ecosystem is developing, and that is where there was a huddle and gap happening on how to actually take the growth pace or the growth way forward for their business. That's when we interacted, we reviewed, and I proposed to them that maybe it is the time that their business needs an interim CMO. Coming back to the primary question, when is the time that your business needs an interim CMO? The time when your business needs an interim CMO is exactly when you start feeling overwhelmed about the influx of ideas around you and you are feeling stuck when it comes to execution. It is also the time when you think that your business is going great, you have awareness, you have outreach, you have inbound leads, but the win rate or the conversion metrics is not matching your pace. Interim CMO is also an effective requirement or a demand of your business when you are stuck at the execution level. You have great ideas, but you don't know how to be accountable for those ideas, how to turn them into an action item, and how to structure the deliverables. One interim CMO can actually help you draw that structure, give your strategic plan a logic and execution pathway, and help you or your team navigate through it. These are the reasons primarily when you need to think and reflect upon the very requirement of having an interim CMO for your business.